Wow! Bumblebee bird, boyfriend, and girlfriend. This is indeed the best picnic ever.
I agree with Dry Israel.
Me too.
We're glad that you're enjoying this picnic, Dry Israel, Cat Niger, and Lapis, South Korea.
I agree.
Same here. Besides, it's a lovely day for us to have a picnic.
We're going to ruin Bumblebee Bird and his friends' picnic. Ha 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 ha.
Yay! We did it. We finally ruined Bumblebee Bird and his friends' picnic. These losers deserved it.
Oh my gosh. Dark Storm Bowser Jr. and Dreamy North Korea. We cannot believe you ruined our picnic.
We were having so much fun here, until you guys showed up to ruin our picnic.
That's it. We're calling both of your parents. Now march home straight away.
Hello, parents. Yes, this is Bumblebee Bird speaking. Your sons Dark Storm Bowser Jr. and Dreamy North Korea both ruined our picnic.
We were all having so much fun until they showed up to ruin our picnic.
They did what? Oh. My. God. They're indeed grounded for this. Thanks for calling us.
It's our pleasure. Goodbye.
Not to worry, guys. We'll help you clean up this mess.
Same here. We'll also help you by getting a new picnic box and some new food for our upcoming picnic.
Yeah. We can do this together.
Thanks, guys. Man, these two are no good doppelgangers.
I agree.
Me too.
Dark Storm Bowser Jr. We cannot believe you ruined Bumblebee Bird and his friends' picnic along with Dreamy North Korea. Now they all have to get both a new picnic box and food for their upcoming picnic.
You should be ashamed of yourself for this, young man. You're grounded for a week.
But,
no buts. Go upstairs to your room now. Otherwise we'll mail you away to a week vacation in Albania. And stay in your room until dinner time or a school day.
Dreamy North Korea. How dare you and Dark Storm Bowser Jr. ruin Bumblebee Bird and his friends' picnic? You know that it's rude to disturb people while they're on picnics.
That's it. You're grounded for a week.
Now march upstairs to your room and think about what you've done today at the park.
Wow.